When you enter the main page, various services will be displayed. Depending on your user type, some services will be marked as not applicable and will not be accessible to you. When you access this service, you should fill out the number of the license you would like to renew. If your license is eligible for renewal and is present in the system, you will be able to select it from the drop-down list provided. If you choose this option, the fields from the previous license will be automatically filled in with the possibility to amend some of the information and upload the required documents for this service. It is worth mentioning that the renewal for this service is only valid for the ownership and usage license, as the first two are not renewable. If you proceed to manually type in the number, you will have to fill in the number of the location and facility licenses, then all required information of the ownership and usage license. Sections depend based on the irradiator type of your choice. For example, if you pick X-ray irradiators, you must fill in mandatory fields in the sections of technical information about the generator, radiation protection officer, radiation workers, mobile radiation survey, fixed spatial radiation monitoring, and transportation method information. All uploads in this section are mandatory. Finally, to submit your application, you must click on the checkbox in the final submission section to send your application once all required information is provided. You can save it at any time as a draft and get back to it later. After submitting your application, its status can be checked by accessing the application history shown here on the platform. In some cases, you might be requested through a text message and an email sent to you to amend some information. If your application gets accepted, the file status becomes pending payment, and you will receive a text message informing you of the applicable fees for payment through Renewal. After completing the payment, its status will change to issued. Neither site nor facility licenses have a validity date. However, the license to practice industrial, research, and medical radiation is valid for 2 years from the final approval date and payment completion. The issued license will have a QR code that allows you to quickly verify its validity when scanned. You can also download it by clicking the download button that shows up.